So I thought I'd show you my latest daft idea. I've been messing about with a lot of heat set inserts, and I use these little bits for testing to get the holes right before it actually goes into a piece. And the trouble then is these sort of sit in a bin or a bucket or something waiting for me to get round to removing all the heat sets, and then every so often I get tired and throw them all out, which is really wasteful. But mucking about trying to get these things out is boring. So I had a bright idea, and you're about to find out at the same time as I do whether my daft idea works or not. So I'm going to bung my heat gun on. The plan is pretty simple. I've printed a little handle with an M3 bolt in it. The hope is that I can heat the piece up and pull the insert out before this gets so hot that it melts, and we're about to find out if that works or not. So let's have something safe to drop them in, and remember, when you do this, don't do what I've done before, which is the minute you get the heat set insert out, grab it to undo it. Don't do that. I'm sure you can figure out why. So this time, safety first. We've got our special tin made of metal. I'm going to hold the piece in these mould grips, and then we're going to see if my daft idea is worth messing with, or if it's just another daft idea. Hey ho. The idea is to get the plastic soft enough to release the insert without melting it, because I don't want the inserts covered in a load of molten plastic. I did try this before with a bolt held in the mould grips, but the trouble is the mould grips being metal, they were wicking away the heat from the bolt. Hey! Okay, not such a daft idea then. Let's put that there. We'll do another one. I figured I would test this before I ran a mock and made these for every size of heat set insert that I use. And these red pieces are ABS, so might need a little more heat on them, but I'd rather start slowly. Bingo. Okay, now I didn't think this through because I've got to get them off, but that's okay, because we got, whoa, don't put your arm over the heat gun. We got more grips. There's one. Oh. Okay, so for a change, one of my daft ideas wasn't quite as daft as I thought it was going to be. Although it's already flipping hot here, and now I'm leaning over a heat gun, so still plenty of daftness to go around. There we go, see? Just screw it in like that. I'm going to bump the temperature up on this, try 240. This is a Yihua heat gun. Got it on a stupidly cheap deal on AliExpress, because I have been using cheapo heat guns with sort of no temperature and everything, but I was burning them out, and you got no temperature control means you don't know obviously what temperature it's running at. Okay, so aside from the fact that obviously not all pieces are going to work being held in the mould grips, as a proof of concept, this did not go as badly wrong as I expected. I was doing many though, I'd most definitely need to sort the space out a bit better so I'm not leaning over the heat. Okay, one more. And this one's PET G, so may not need it quite so hot, but hey ho, who knows. Look at that. Right. So off goes the heat gun. Let's have that one out before I forget myself and pick it up. And there we go. And in the bin with those. Alright. Well, stunningly that actually worked, so I shall refine this design a little bit. Do it for the various different sizes of heat sets I use, and then when I finally get round to remember, don't touch that bit, that's still hot. When I finally remember it, I'll pop it on Thingiversal Colts with my other designs. Thanks for watching.